Hi everybody, I'm Zoe from Zoe's Wonderful World of Toys. And today I've got my friend Piggy. And can you guess which one we're opening today? Pause it and put it in the comments. Glitter slime, a mystery bucket, or this Claire's bag. Put it down, pause this video and put it down in the comments. And are you done yet? I'm going to give you 3 more seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, dun dun dun. Moving this to the side. Moving that. Opening the Claire's bag. And in here, I've got the JoJo Siwa mystery bowl bag. And then I got this squeezy. It's a squishy JoJo Siwa thing. These are the ones you can get on the back. I'm really excited, so I'm gonna open this first. Wait, I'm actually opening the bottom open so you can just do it. So here's one more quick look. I finally have JoJo Bows, guys. Because if I got one, I would show you guys. Is that all that's in here?
It's really cute.
That's all that's in here. Yep. But why does it say mystery bow, 1 blouch mystery?
Because it's in English and Spanish, I believe.
Oh. Now, let's open this. Can you guess which one we got? The unicorn, the heart, this one. This might.
Well, the puppy's cute.
This bow
and the unicorn.
The JoJo water bow. This bow, this bow, or the rainbow. Pause the video and put it down in the comments. I know I'm doing that a lot, but 3 more seconds. 1, 2, 3. Did you guess this bow? If you did, say I'm a winner in the comments. It's so squishy. Don't they look really similar?
Oh, it's just printed.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna put this in my hair. JoJo Bow. This is really squeezy and stretchy. It's like, wow, I'm a bow. JoJo Bow hug. Thank you for... Did you fart?
No.
Okay, I think you farted. But anyway. Thanks for watching Zoe's Wonderful World of Toys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and give me notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Bye. Which one did you like better? Put it down in the comments. Bobo's hugs.